it's a great opportunity, it's a fruitful opportunity for me to attend this workshop. So as my friend said, this is my first workshop experience. So I don't have any kind of foundation towards the biological technical field. So it was my great opportunity and a knowledge resource platform for me. And I just want to mention especially CS Mujibuddin sir for as a trainee. He was so much engaged with the students practically, and he was like so nice. Whenever we had doubts, he just came to our crowd. We engaged with our crowd, and he cleared all the doubts. And also other trainers. Thank you so much, sirs. So yeah, thank you so much. And I want to thank all the faculty members of Tanjore campus for being very helpful for us. So thank you so much.
Saravanan from MSc Bioinformatics, first year. So first of all, thanks for this amazing workshop and this collaboration of VIC with Clinosol. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And I would like to point out these amazing speakers, what they have done and how interactive they were with us, and it was truly amazing. I have no words. I'm sorry, sir. I have no words for it. The presentation, it was very insightful, and how it's more learning for us, like how do we present and how do we present ourselves in front of others and audience. And it was learning, like we have actually a course seminar, and it's very important for us actually. Like it's very thank you. Sorry, we just yes. So. And I also thank you for all the speakers that giving us this amazing exposure towards in corporate world, like how it works.
Abhijit Das from BTech Biotechnology, Tanjore campus. So I thank the deans, professors, and the speakers for coming for both the days. So my background is completely on biology, on contrast to whoever spoke right now. And I know nothing about data analytics and bioinformatics as such. So at first, the first day I was pretty overwhelmed by the speakers about like stuff like data analytics and stuff. And the second day after Santosh sir's presentation and so on, I started to connect it better, and Power BI presentation and blogging was excellent. And Power BI specifically, the document which I made made me very happy, because I thought that not only can we analyze and do stuff about data analytics in the clinical trials, we can use it in some other stuff like in our research and so on and so forth. So I thought of that during that time, and it was a very good feeling. So thank you, sirs. Thank you, ma'am, for arranging it. Thank you, sir, for arranging it.
It was good. I could learn many things. Like it was really new to me, but then it was really interesting and it was engaging as well. It was not too bored. Like I was afraid that how come like such a long hour, even I could cope up with the time, like no break, like our attention span is just 1 hour, right? So I was a bit, I was not that much confident that it will be going this smooth. I was really happy to be there. Apart from the workshop, we had good hospitality.
Workshop along with collaboration with Clinosol speakers and CU sir. Thanks a lot. It was very wonderful talk, and yeah, food was also nice once again. From the PPT, actually I am from biotech background. I don't know anything about clinical research and all. We just studied it in subject as theory. But as you said from the PPT, we came to know that okay, it is conducted as real time, and it was very true. And yeah, I hope like we can able to visit there one time to see how it's going. And with the Power BI, before I had learned only basics of Power BI, but now with the help of large data, I say from big data biology, it was very useful how to connect with Power BI with large type of data. So it was very wonderful insight for me, as well as I hope everyone also got that. And yeah, this is the first time all three campuses are coming here, I think so, for the workshop. So nice to see everyone. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much for this opportunity for exploring so many things. எல்லாரும் செமையா ஜாலியாக தான் பண்ணுவாங்க. தேங்க்ஸ் டு எவ்ரி ஸ்பீக்கர்ஸ், எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் தட் சார் ஜாலியாக பேசுனீங்க சார் லைப்ரரியில். ஞாபகம் இருக்கா சார் கடைசி பெஞ்சில் வந்து பேசிட்டு இருந்தீங்க. தேங்க்ஸ் போத் ஆல் தி ஸ்பீக்கர்ஸ். சந்தோஷ் சார் நீங்கள் வரும்போதெல்லாம் என் ஞாபகம் பின்னாடி பேசிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. சார் தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் அண்ட் தேங்க்ஸ் டு தி சாஸ்திரா யூனிவர்சிட்டி அண்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் சார். தேங்க்யூ மேம்.